How to delete Gemini history. Want to clear your Gemini activity? Here's how to delete your history step by step. So first, go ahead and open up Gemini and then go ahead and click on your profile at the bottom left of your screen. And then from here, go ahead and click on manage your account and that will take you here. So from here, go ahead and look for My Activity, click on it, and that will take you here. So from here, go ahead and look for Gemini, and then set the delete to all time, and then make sure to check in here Gemini, and then click on next, and then from here you need to confirm deleting your Gemini history, and that is how to delete Gemini history.